Hey guys, welcome to the channel and hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for clicking on this. So if you're the one who has a complaint that your nail polish stays on the nails for very short time, then I think this video is for you and you can keep watching the video till the end. So guys, let's start with the tips, and the first tip would be to have clean canvas. You have to thoroughly clean your nails. You have to remove the older nail polish from your nails if you have the one, and you have to make sure that the nails are thoroughly clean. There will be no particles of the older nail polish or dust on the nails, so that application of new nail polish would be very easy and your nail polish will also stay on the nails for longer time. The next step would be to remove the dead skin on the nails before applying the new nail polish. So this is actually the part of the first step itself. You have to use the cuticle remover so that your cuticles would be softened and you'll be able to remove the dead skin around the cuticles very easily. For that you can use the cuticle softener and the cuticle remover. So you have to push back the cuticles and also remove the dead skin around the cuticles with the help of cuticle pusher. So this is also a very important step. If you do this step, your nail polish will remain on the nails for longer time because your application would be very easy around the cuticles. Guys, if you don't have any dead skin around the cuticles, then you can skip this step, but you have to make sure that you do this step once in a month so that there will be no accumulated dead skin around the cuticles and your nail polish will stay longer. The next step would be to dehydrate the nails. Now most of you must be aware that your nails produce the oil, and because of that oil the nail polish does not stay for longer time. So before applying the new nail polish, you will have to make sure that your nails are dehydrated and there is no oil and moisture on the nails. So I apply the nail polish remover once again to clear all the dust and moisture on the nails before I apply the new nail polish. The next important tip would be to apply a base coat. Base coat works as a primer. Now before applying any makeup, as we apply the primer which really creates the base for the makeup, the base coat actually works like that for the nail polish. So if you are applying a good base coat on your nails before applying the nail polish, your nail polish will stay for the longer time. So those who have the complaint that their nail polish does not stay for the longer time, the base coat is must. The next point is all about the consistency of the nail polish. If your nail polish consistency is not good, it will not be applied very smoothly on the nails. So you have to check whether your nail polish is in good condition and it can be applied nicely and smoothly on the nails. The next important point is all about the application of the nail polish. You have to be very careful and mindful while applying the nail polish, and you have to apply the nail polish in one direction. You don't have to be in hurry, and if you're doing it in hurry and carelessly, then your nail polish will become streaky and then the proper base would not be created and it will really help to cheap the nail polish faster. And you have to apply the thin coats and you have to take your time. Cover the edges also, because your nail polish starts chipping from the edges and then it starts chipping from the whole nail. So you have to be very mindful while applying the nail polish. The next tip is to use 2 coats of nail polish. So you have to apply 2 thin coats of polish, and that will really give you the perfect coverage of nail polish and it will stay on the nails for longer time. The most important thing over here is to let the first coat dry and then apply the second coat. Next important tip would be to apply the top coat. Top coat is made in such a way that it will seal the nail polish in and it will lock the nail polish inside so that it will not chip very easily. You have to get a good top coat to seal your manicure for longer time. The next important tip would be not to use your nails as tool. Guys, using your nails as tool can lead to chip or scratch your nail polish. To preserve your manicure, it's always advisable to use your hand rather than nails to open anything, or to use the appropriate tools instead of your nails. The next important tip is to use cuticle oil. Now, cuticle oil keeps your nails and cuticles hydrated, which prevents the dryness and cracking. This also helps reduces the chances of nail polish chipping or peeling. So it is always advisable to apply it after polishing to nourish the cuticles without affecting the polish. And regular use of the cuticle oil extends the life of your manicure and also improves the nail health so you can get long healthy nails. Next step is to use the gloves while doing any work with your hands, which might ruin the manicure. So wearing the gloves while doing the chores can protect your nails from harsh chemicals and water, so that prevents the polish from chipping. So this simple step helps to extend the life of your manicure. So guys, these were the 11 tips to get the long lasting manicure. If you like this video, then please hit like. And if you're watching my video for the first time, then I would like you to know that I create content related to nails. So if you're interested to see nail related content like nail polish swatches and review, nail art, nail hacks, nail care, then please subscribe to my channel and also keep the notifications on. And your support is really very useful to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.